So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire FRSS26L3AF ice maker not working, temperature and water flow guide. Fix 1 is check the control arm and reset. Locate the feeler arm on the side of the ice maker. Ensure the feeler arm moves firmly and is not stuck in the upward off position. Power off the refrigerator or toggle the ice maker switch to the off position. Then wait for 10 to 30 seconds before turning the power back on. This process resets the ice maker internal sensor. Second fix is inspect the water supply and filter. A clogged or expired water filter can reduce water pressure and stop ice production. Check the drinking water dispenser to ensure the home's water supply is reaching the fridge, and inspect the water supply line behind the refrigerator for kinks or crushes against the wall. Verify the functionality of a saddle valve or shut-off valve connected to your home's water supply. Third fix is check freezer temperature. Set freezer temperature to 0 degree Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees centigrade or slightly lower. Ensure the freezer is cold enough to freeze water into ice. Allow up to 24 hours for the freezer temperature to stabilize. Fourth fix is clear frozen water lines. Water-filled tube can freeze, blocking water flow to the ice maker mold. Thaw the frozen tube using a hair dryer on a low setting. Alternatively, use a refrigerator force defrost mode to thaw the tube. Thanks for watching.